Novoo Pandorahh.
People no go subscribe to Troubling TV. Mr. Ray, you not subscribe to it?
No.
Me said that boy make me laugh at daytime.
My God. No. See TV on ya? No, I go on TV.
Alright, it is. Oh. Hey, you!
Me?
Yeah, you over there. You in the black shirt. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yes, we have a sweet deal out here. Are you tired of driving and hitting in potholes?
Yeah.
Is your rim bending up because of Jamaican Road?
Yeah. That reached me.
Call 8876 Pothole today.
Hello? 18887.
Fresh out of the paper, me and them Pothole today. Yeah. Boom! Big man. Yo, you understand the Pothole when I just got through? Yo, big man. No, this not work, you know. Yo. What the box? I'm gonna call him from a Blackberry. What is this calling me? Hello? Yeah. Yo, you see that pothole thing where you just give me? A foolishness. It not work, you know. Oh, no. Calm down. What? Just slightly put $10 US in his top pocket. And it work? So how you know me have US? You're not a scammer, you know. You're not a scammer. How dare you? Hold on. Let me see if it work.
Hello. How can I help you for the pothole service?
Hello? Yeah, it work. It now give me back my change. Yo, I not like that English. I almost translate it to Jamaican. Creole, Patois.
Carol, Patois. Rascat, pothole.
But we not drive, big man. We are drive. You see we are drive? Yeah, alright. You see we our kind of... Yo, I don't want to line part. If you see pothole, tell me if you see it. You better lie to me, you see me?
Pothole.
Pothole. Yeah, remember that one day? What? That's a one pothole too.
Not a pothole. Pothole, big man.
Pothole? Well, I'm gonna go look for it. I'm gonna go look, you know.
Take your time.
Yo, I don't look hole you talk about pothole. But watch your hole there. I want to that man here. Yo, it's a little pothole that you know. It's a every pothole you see. Eh?
Don't understand what you're talking about.
Every pothole you see. Small, big, large.
Pothole, big
Pothole, alright. Good job. I love this.
Pothole.
Pothole, hold on. What that? Hold on. What that? Eh? Yo, you can't believe there's an actual pot in the road. Who do this? I just say you ball out pothole, you know.
Pothole.
Yo, you're skilling up. Oh, you see it? Come, I never see it, you know. Yo, you're skilling up. Yo. Your girl up there. Hold on. Can't stop for me. Baby. Can I? Hold on. Hey, what's your name, Joe? What's your name?
Pot.
Hole.
Yo, put your number in a BlackBerry. Put your number in a this. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. I'll link you later. Alright. See that? Man, a real gal is you. She nearly hear me. Man, a real gal is you. See that? Me a real gal is. Yo, what that? Oh, you not hear that? My tire flat. No, because, yo, I said if I ever see a flat. Oh, what the backside is? I'm not going in a pothole. Oh, flat.
Pot has a big hole.
Oh, you have to
Don't
subscribe,
be just a subscriber.
You can't just watch it.
No, don't be just a subscriber. Tell them no.
Alright,
Don't
be just a subscriber.
turn on the notification bell.
No. Oh boy, you Pandorahh.
Whoa.
Novoo. Broke them nooks. Every target take.
Like, share, subscribe right now.
Yo, sparks pull up and they put in at the pro box. Son and not the gun in 9 man, I never know back. Me and my dog them take on the road, but oh God, I'm fully that not take program. Physically full of thousand. We like the street like